Hey there, let's talk more about what we are doing for our assignment this week. So we are doing, we're engaging in a discussion question number 4 on microaggressions. And those of you in Group C are going to lead our discussion this week. So members of Group C will complete both the initial post and participate in the response posts to earn a total of 100 points. All other students will only complete response posts and earn a total of 25 points. So Group C, this is what you are discussing. So question number 1, discuss your reactions to chapter 3 related to microaggressions and answer these questions as you discuss your reaction. So what was your reaction when reading the material? Share new insights you gained or something you learned. And then what questions do you still have? Question number 2, at the end of your discussion about the chapter, come up with your own example of a microaggression. Review the syllabus for appropriate language. So just making sure that you are being appropriate within as we discuss these microaggressions. Share your example and state why it is a microaggression. So remember, this is material focused mostly on racial microaggressions, but microaggressions can be against any one of a marginalized group. So your example here doesn't have to be a racial microaggression. It can be any type of microaggression, but be sure to state why it's a microaggression. So a note for primary posts is you're writing these posts, please be sure to number them appropriately and format them appropriately, and be sure to include be sure to include citations to your course materials. So specifically from this, you're going to be pulling heavily on your chapter 3, but you might also be pulling from that Triandis article and the Worldview and the Frames article that were posted this week. So again, citations and format appropriately. Make sure that you have a thorough post that answers all of these questions. And then response posts. So all students reflect upon your own response to chapter 3, comment on a minimum of 2 posts from Group C members. And so again, it'll be helpful if you number these. Number 1, share your response to reading chapter 3. Number 2, identify commonalities and differences in your responses. So what I mean by that is in your response to the material that you read in chapter 3. So chapter 3 made me, I reacted this way to chapter 3. You reacted this way to chapter 3. This is how we were similar. This is how we were different. And then number 3, help answer the questions that the student in Group C identified in their post. So under number 1 here, number 3, what questions do you still have after reading that material? So in our response post, we are going to be working on answering those questions to help our members from Group C out. Remember, you do need to incorporate course materials into your response post as well. So I'm going to be looking to see that you've cited that. And again, it's helpful if you format them 1, 2, and 3, so that you know that you are including everything that the assignment's asking for, so that your classmates who are reading this are reading a lot. We're reading a lot of content, so you can stay organized in that way. And 3, it makes it easier for me to stay organized and to grade it and know that you have touched all of these points as well. So review the confidentiality policy, review the grading criteria. If you have questions about what is in the grading rubric, post questions over to the homepage if you have questions about those, or drop me an email and reach out. But I'm really looking forward to seeing what your reactions were to this material this week and how you share that with each other. So thanks so much for watching and have a great week, everybody.